Okay, everybody, here it is, out of the garage. Sorry about the background noise. A couple of guys building a shed over here in the next yard. But this is it. Do a quick walk around. Let you see it up close and personal. Like I said, I got to get these two fenders painted. But that's what she's looking like. Alright, now I'm going to go run this up and down the road. I've been dying to do this. See you in a minute. Alright, everybody. Pat here. This is it. 1975 Sportster Transformation build. All done except for the paint on the rear and the front fender and ready to go. I'm going to run this thing up and down the road. Get this video posted for you guys and you can check it out. There you go, folks. I'm not going to run it up and down the road anymore because I just went through the stop sign at the end of the road because I don't got the rear brake adjusted up where I need it. But there it is. Another custom build from West Corners Custom Cycles. As always, I invite everybody out there, subscribe, like, leave comments, and be good, be kind to each other, keep the shiny side up. Always live life behind bars.